Carbice Pad delivers the benefits of both solid and liquid thermal interface materials, but without either of their limitations. At the nanoscale, Carbice Pad is a dense carbon nanotube forest bonded to both sides of an aluminum backbone. Initially, Carbice Pad acts like a solid, which gives it incredible thermal conduction and allows it to spread heat across the surface of the material. Because it works like a solid, we can add tack, cut it to size, assemble and rework it very easily.
When applied, Carbice Nanotubes flex to embrace the interface, matching every single texture without compromising their thermal conductivity. Carbice Nanotubes move like hair on a paintbrush. When compressed, they fill the voids of the surface, quite similar to how a liquid works. When the pressure is removed, they rebound like a spring to their original shape. With adhesion, fastening, and cycling, the Carbice Nanotubes find and settle further into the nanoscopic voids, which can actually improve Carbice Pad's performance over time. Carbice Pad is revolutionary. It's unlike solids, liquids, or phase change materials. It's got all the benefits of those materials, but it doesn't have any of the compromises.